Hello everyone, I'm Dr. Shagun from Cosmodent, India. Today, I'll be sharing with you simple steps to increase your teeth strength. Number 1. Choose your toothbrush wisely and change it often. Soft-bristled brushes and electronic toothbrushes are the best options to keep your smile bright and clean. Both of these choices allow for the gentle cleansing of your teeth without inflicting hard scrubbing and possible long-term damage like receding gums and enamel loss. Number 2. You should floss regularly. Flossing is extremely important for your dental hygiene. This small step is the only way to remove food that gets stuck between your teeth. So flossing at least once a day before bedtime or after each meal helps to keep your gums healthy. Number 3. Give your tongue some special attention. Your tongue, like your teeth and gums, can play host to a variety of bacteria if left uncleaned. Consider purchasing a tongue scraper or a toothbrush with a scraper on the back. This small accessory will help you remove bacteria and improve your breath. For much more helpful tips, follow us on Insta.